cold open. Ever wonder about the most audacious hacking scams in history? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the cyber world's dark corners. First, the notorious Kevin Mitnick. From the late 70s to the mid-90s, Mitnick hacked dozens of systems, including those of major corporations. His secret? Social engineering, not supercomputers. Next, the Conficker worm. In 2008, this malicious software infected millions of computers worldwide, causing billions in damage. Its creators remain unknown, their motives a mystery. Finally, the Sony Pictures hack of 2014. A group called Guardians of Peace leaked unreleased films and confidential data, sparking an international incident. Remember, folks, cybersecurity isn't just a buzzword. It's a necessity in our digital age. Stay safe and stay savvy. Loop back here for more fascinating tales from the tech world. Over and out.